Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. What you talking about? What you talking about? Right here. I'm gonna pull it out. Yes, I'm getting a breathing treatment. Okay. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. Oh, it's okay. Oh, here. Oh, hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. Well, he just gotta put that finger in his mouth. Let me see. Let me grab this part. But you only got a little medicine in now, so you better get all of it now. You scared for your brother? You scared for your brother? Oh, hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Oh, hi, Charlie.
It's alright, baby. Hurry. Hey, little guy. Little guy.
Yeah, breathe it in, buddy. It's okay, baby.
Little guy.
Put him down, baby. He's something. Oh, baby. Okay. Okay. I ain't gonna put him down. This is so cute. Little doggy. Little doggy. They make them so fancy nowadays. He said he gonna take one home, or he gonna take that one home. She said he gonna take one home, or he gonna take that one home.
Some of that medicine.
She said he gonna take that one home. Or did you say one that's in the box?
I'm assuming one that's in the box.
Dr. Coleman. Yeah, she said he gonna take one of them home. Then you'll give him some antibiotics and stuff. For the both of them. So with that right there, the little breathing treatment, she said he gonna take one home.
Yeah, you can use that as a take.
Huh?
You can use it as a take.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, like, I was asking, like, is he going to take this one home or the one that's in the box? Probably the one that's in the box. I don't know. No, he's sick, so most likely it's going to be, the one that's in the, this one right here. Yeah. You get my baby. Okay, baby. You can stop the video. Check out this unboxing video.
It's going to be in the description down below.